Okay, so we're doing understanding rate concepts today. So we're talking about rates. Rate is just another type of a ratio. In rates, when we talk about rates, we want to make sure that we're using our units. So what is the label after the number? So in this case, we're talking about minutes to puzzles. Okay, so whether it is minutes to miles or elephants to peanuts, rates always have to do with focusing on the units. So for this problem, we are going to, sorry, I have to use a couple different colors. So it takes Amy 28 minutes to solve 4 puzzles. Okay, so Amy is red. So I'm going to use a fraction bar like this. So 28, sorry, it's hard to write in M with this pen. Okay, so 28 minutes to solve 4 puzzles. 4 puzzles. Great. And then we have, let me skip the first one. We have Maya, which takes Maya 30 minutes to solve 5 puzzles. So 30 minutes to solve 5 puzzles. I'm sure my face looks interesting while I'm trying to write these on the laptop. Okay. So, we want to know, use models to show the rate at which each student solves the puzzles in minutes per puzzle. So, minutes per puzzle, per is like for each puzzle, how long would it take her to complete just one puzzle? So we know that for Amy, 28 minutes for 4 puzzles, and for Maya, 30 minutes for 5 puzzles. But we want to know how long it takes them to just complete one puzzle each. Ooh. Okay, one puzzle. Okay, so remember on the last video when I was talking about ratios, we only do multiplication and division. We're never subtracting or adding when we are trying to find the relationship within ratios and rates. So when we want to know how can we get from 4 to 1, so we're not going to subtract 3 to get from 4 to 1, or we're not going to add 3 to get from 1 to 4. We are going to use multiplication or division. Alright, so in this case, getting from 4 to 1, we can divide by 4. So, divide by 4. Alright, and I know you've heard me say this over and over again. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So, to the top, we are going to divide by 4. What you do on one side, you do to the other. Alright, so 28 divided by 4 is, you guessed it, 7. Don't forget your units. 7 minutes. So this is saying it takes Amy 7 minutes to complete one puzzle. Okay, now let's move on to Maya. How long would it take Maya to complete one puzzle? So how are we going to get from 5 to 1? We're going to divide by 5. Alright, we did it on the bottom, so now we got to do it on the top. Divide by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So it takes Maya 6 minutes to do one puzzle. So this is the rate at which each student solves the puzzles. So Maya's Maya solves it at 6 minutes per one puzzle. And Amy takes 7 minutes to do one puzzle. Wow. So sorry, guys. Hopefully my drawing will get better. So this is your rate, okay? If Maya and Amy had the same number of puzzles to solve, who would finish first? So, seeing by this, they each have one puzzle to solve. If it takes Amy 7 minutes to do one puzzle and it takes Maya 6 minutes to do one puzzle, who is going to finish first? Right? So it's the person with the least amount of time because it takes them the shortest amount of time to complete it. So Maya would complete first because it would only take her 6 minutes for one puzzle. Alright, I am just doing the first problem on this page.